What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the fuel filter on your XJ40. Over time debris could clog up the filter, causing the fuel pump to work harder, leading to a breakdown. So to prevent that, we'll be replacing the fuel filter. The fuel filter is located up underneath the driver's side rear wheel. Lift the jack from underneath the center suspension cage and support it on jack stands. Have a catch pan underneath to catch the fuel spills. Use an adjustable wrench or vice grips to keep the filter from moving. Use a 17mm socket to remove the front fuel line hose. Keep in mind, the fuel filter is pressurized. Fuel will spill out. Don't have your face near the filter. The new filter will come with 2 new washers. Make sure to replace them. Use a 19mm wrench to remove the rear fuel line and an adjustable wrench to hold the front. Remove the 8mm bolt securing the mounting bracket and the 10mm bolt securing the filter. The filter is covered by a foam insulated sleeve. Remove it. I highly recommend a Bosch filter. They have the correct filter size and thread size. Pay close attention to the directional flow arrow. It should be pointing towards the engine. If fuel filter should last up to 30,000 miles, I personally like replacing it at 15,000. But if the fuel filter gets clogged up before reaching those miles, it doesn't mean that the fuel filter is defected. It means that the filter has done its job. It can indicate that it's picking up contaminations from the fuel tank. You might want to get it cleaned. Alright you guys, so when you're done putting everything back together, turn the key to the on position, engine off 3 times so fuel can flow back into the lines. Then start the Jag and check for leaks. And then you'll be all done. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.